Welcome back students. Today we will see the reproductive health chapter from class 12th. In previous video we have seen about the STDs, that hepatitis B, which was caused by the hepatitis B virus. Also we have seen the symptoms, what are the symptoms we can detect the disease. Now in this video we will see that what are the diagnoses, how we can diagnose that the person is having the hepatitis B infection. So first that when any person is suffering from hepatitis B, when he will went to the doctors, so doctors will suggest one test, that blood test, that is Australian antigen test. What happen in this test? The protein of the outer covering of that virus is detected. Means suppose we will see that, suppose this is one virus, okay, and these are its genetic material. So this virus is having the outer covering which is protective cover, okay. So that outer covering is having specific type of protein, and that protein was detected by this test. So that protein is acting as a antigen, okay. So ये जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन एंटीजन टेस्ट है उसके अंदर वो आउटर कवरिंग वो एंटीजन डिटेक्ट किया जाता है. Nowadays same that test is also known as HBsAg, means it is also called as hepatitis B surface antigen test. Surface antigen means the outer covering antigen, okay. Now there are some vaccines are also available in the market, okay. As we know that we are having immunity two types. One is active immunity, second is passive immunity, okay. Active immunity में क्या होता है? Means once if a pathogen enters in our body, okay, then our body will prepare antibodies against that pathogen. तो वो क्या हो गया? एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी हो गई. What about passive? That if we get ready-made antibodies, हमने बाहर से ready-made antibodies हमारे बॉडी के अंदर इंसर्ट की, so our body is not preparing that antibodies, वो क्या है? पैसिव एंटीबॉडीज हो गई या फिर पैसिव इम्यूनिटी हो गई. सो ये जो वैक्सीन्स हैं, these are acting as passive immunity. तो ये पैसिव इम्यूनिटी के थ्रू हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जानबूझ के रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडीज इंसर्ट किए जाते हैं, एंड इम्यूनाइजेशन इज also available for this. So most of the vaccines are which type of vaccines? These are the globulins against hepatitis B antigens. Means जो है ये hepatitis B जो है surface antigen, उसके अगेंस्ट काम करने वाले जो एंटीबॉडीज होती हैं, these are inserted in our body. So if we know that these doses are given in the 3 phases. 3 phases में ये doses दिए जाते हैं, 0, 1, 6. अब ये 0, 1, 6 होता क्या है? That the first day in which the person is having the vaccine, okay, means जो first day होता है जिस दिन उसको वैक्सीन दी जाती है, that is the 0 day we are calculating. From that, completely after 1 month, second dose was given, okay, so this is 1. After this completion of 1 month, the next dose was given after the 6th month, means 6 महीने के बाद नेक्स्ट डोज, मतलब 3 डोज हमें, एक फर्स्ट डे, फिर 1 महीने के बाद, फिर 6 महीने के बाद, ऐसे 3 टाइप में 3 फेजेस में उसको डोज दिया जाता है, ओके. अगर इन केस क्या होता है कि कभी कभी बहुत हाई लेवल पर ये डिसीज चला जाता है, ओके. सो व्हाट हैपन इन दैट, इन क्रोनिक एक्टिव हेपेटाइटिस बी, the doctor will suggest some specific type of tablets or drugs in that, okay. The examples are like that. These are also called as tenofovir or entecavir, okay. Again adifovir or interferon alpha, or like these some vaccines are there, or some tablets are there, some antibiotics are there. All these are given for this disease, okay. So what are the preventions we can take for this disease? That prevention is most important, that safe sex, okay. Second thing is that use of contraceptives. Again, avoid contaminated food. How it is also affecting contaminated food? Because the virus will enter in our body through that contaminated food also, and again it will affect on livers. So if liver will damage, the whole process will again damage, okay. ये बहुत ही सीवियर डिसीज होता है. दिस इज मच मोर डेंजरस देन द एड्स वायरस ऑल्सो, ओके. एड्स ऑल्सो सेकंड नंबर पे आएगा, उससे पहले ही ये हेपेटाइटिस बी डिसीज आता है. सो सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, या और उसकी जो मतलब वैक्सीन है वो भी हमें प्रॉपरली लेना चाहिए, हेल्दी ईटिंग करना चाहिए, ये सभी प्रिकॉशंस हमें लेना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है हेपेटाइटिस बी के लिए. So students, up to now we have seen different type of sexually transmitted diseases. In this, hepatitis also completed. In next lecture we will see another sexually transmitted disease. Thank you.